Today is Valentine's Day, right? How come you don't have any
Yes, yes.
plans?
No, no.
Going to
Right now,
watch
the
Chava
only
movie.
Going to
Chava
Chava.
movie.
Who is the hero?
Vicky Kaushal.
Okay, okay. Good, good, good. What about others? What's your plan for weekend? What's I don't know how many of you know this. Okay. The actual weekend is not on Saturday and Sunday, right? This is not weekend. The
Friday
actual
was weekend after.
the actual weekend is Friday afternoon to Sunday afternoon. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, after Sunday afternoon, your day is wasted. You'll start thinking about Monday. Overthinking. All Indians are known for overthinking. Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes.
Santosh.
Yeah. And happy Valentine's to everyone. I don't know why they celebrate. Anyone? Why this day is celebrated? Anyone? Anyone want to share this information to everyone? Why is Valentine's Day celebrated? You can celebrate on all 365 days, right? Why only on today?
I know that reason, Santosh.
Yeah, yeah. You can tell
I
me.
hate it in me. Okay, so actually, in past one, like one old man was there. Okay, like usually they will send their people for war, right? Like at that time, like it seems that particular the people who are under particular kingdom has failed lot of times. That old man has seen that what he did now, like he uh, he arranged a marriage for all the like soldiers. Okay, so after that marriage ceremony, like they went for one war, they have succeeded in that war. So that particular old man name is Valentine, so they have celebrated started celebrating that as a Valentine's Day. So this that was a like one of my teacher has told me in the school days. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay.
I'm not sure it's a true or false, but yeah, I hate this story in my schooling days.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Good, good, good to know that. Thanks for sharing, but I really don't know why they celebrate. Everyone says that Valentine's Day. Okay, it's Valentine's Day. I don't know. Hmm. Okay, I think we have good number of people. Let's get started. I'll start